My first reaction was like, someone pinched me. This is too good to be true. ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है. Am I really going? नहीं. रोमांस अगर ऑर्गेनिकली हो गया, अगर वाइब मैच हो गई तो ऑल गुड. अगर नहीं हुई तो मैं ऐसा कुछ ढूंढ नहीं रहा. Bathrobe journey is not yet over. You will still see a lot more with the bathrobe with time.
Koimoi.com.
Hi, Jishan. Welcome to
Hi,
Koi Moi.
Gunal. Thank you so
So,
much.
I can look at your face and see how excited you are to enter the Big Boss house. You're super excited.
I'm very excited. I can't wait to get in.
Okay, your energy is really contagious, and I bet everyone in the house is going to feel this energy too.
Oh yes, it is, and this is something I wouldn't sit around and go like nahi agar ho gaya hopefully my energy. No, I know for a fact because I'm an entertainer. I have
Exactly.
been putting out like tremendous amount of energy in my vlogs and everything, and
Hmm.
that is still like because you have to follow guidelines and everything on YouTube. So I'm still a little contained. Big Boss OTT exclusive on Woot. Yo, there are there's nothing stopping me over
No
here. I'm gonna go
restrictions.
all out.
Look at your expression and your energy now. What was it like when you first got to know कि छप, छापा लग गया Big Boss OTT में जाने के लिए? What was your first reaction on that moment?
My first reaction was like, someone pinched me. This is too good to be true. ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है. Am I really going? नहीं. And I still wasn't sure because I was like, यार, this is big boss. This is a big boss. अगर मेरे तरफ से कुछ भी गलत हो गया या if they don't like
Hmm.
me थोड़ा सा भी they'll be like अच्छा you know what we've got another contestant. Thank you for your time. अब चलिए. तो I was like मैं जब तक घर के अंदर नहीं जाता जब तक मैं कदम घर के अंदर नहीं रखता I will be all chilled out about it. I will expect कि भाई अभी भी होना बाकी है अभी भी होना बाकी है. That is what I have in my mind right now.
Okay.
But other than that, I am extremely happy because when I spoke to the entire team,
Hmm.
everyone on the team is amazing. I don't know who else is coming in the house, but they promise that there are some really really good people coming in the house, and this because I'm an entertainer and I
Hmm.
look for other people who are entertaining as well, and they were like this time the cast that we have got, it is full of people who will
It's
entertain.
like
I'm
your
excited to see who else is coming with me in the house and everything. So yeah, let's see, because this is the first time, and the other thing that I am happy about is that this is the first time Big Boss is doing something different on Woot. It's going to
exactly.
come exclusively on Woot. So obviously this is something new for the audience to expect, and as a
Hmm.
contestant something new for me as well. Like I don't know what to expect, so none of us can go in with that thinking कि अच्छा last season ऐसा हुआ था उसके पहले season ऐसा हुआ था ये वो. This is totally new. Totally. तो अब यहाँ पर
Host भी
आप
different है इस बार.
हाँ आप जो हो आपको वो ही रहना पड़ेगा because you don't know क्या होने वाला है अंदर. So I'm very excited to see what happens.
How excited are you to have Karan Johar hosting the show at least for the first 6 weeks before Salman sir joins the background?
I am over the moon. You tell me, is there any better thing for anyone? First, the Woot thing that is
Hmm.
being hosted by Karan sir. Then the colors thing that will be hosted by Salman sir. Like, what else can you ask for?
Chandi pe Chandi, Chandi pe Chandi. It's like just
Exactly. और
amazing,
क्या
right?
चाहिए किसी को life में? So I'm very excited, and with Karan sir, I have like this small story that I will share with him when I'm in the house. It's related to my life. बहुत छोटी सी चीज है, but I would want to share with him because it's very close to my heart, and it's something that motivated me to reach where I am today.
Wow.
So hopefully I get the opportunity to share that with him, and yeah, whenever I talk about it now, मैं ऐसा excited हो जाता हूँ. फिर मैं थोड़ा सा when I see, when I imagine, because my mind is very imaginative. So when I
Hmm.
imagine, standing in front of him or sitting in front of him and talking to him, मेरा दिल ऐसे धक 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 करता है because I kind of start getting a little nervous because he's Karan Johar, yeah, he understands what entertainment is. He's one of the best, and he's been entertaining us for years. And I'm just an entertainer who has started who has, you know, big ambitions in life. I want to be the best entertainer in India. After that, move on to being the best entertainer in the world. So he understands what entertainment is. So, you know, to put
He can be
yourself
your
out
guiding
there,
force.
he can be my guiding force, and to put yourself out there in front of such a person to get his opinion, it could be a little nerve wracking, you know, because I don't want to disappoint him and go like, yaar abhe, I expected things from you, tu aisa nikla.
अरे,
भाई मैं टूट जाऊंगा अगर ऐसा हो गया तो.
I would really love to know which is this incident you have with Karan Johar that inspired you. But seems like I have to exclusively watch it on Boot when you talk to him about it, right?
Exactly. You'll have to subscribe. You'll have to vote for me and watch it on Woot.
Okay. Big Boss houses, I mean, the previous seasons, we have seen a lot of romances budding. In fact, some even ended up in marriages. So, are you open to a little romance on the side when you enter the Big Boss house?
I honestly don't think so, because I mean, if it happens, I'll tell you. The thing about me is, I have had my heart broken. I have broken a few hearts, and I think relationships aren't, you know, something that
You can
because
predict.
yeah, you can't. It's very unpredictable. यार तुमको ऐसा लगता है कि 1 second you're like, man, I'm gonna spend the rest of my life with her. The other second you're like, यार यही हो रही है जो मुझे नहीं चाहिए था. यही चीज हो रही है जो मुझे नहीं चाहिए था. So for me, what I have started this, like, now the mantra that I follow is leave it up to him. He knows कि, you know, अगर if there is someone who has to come into my life, it'll be, and it has to be organic. I should feel the same for her. I should accept her with all her flaws, and she should accept me with all my flaws. Only then will I, you know, achieve the goals that I have set for myself. Because if I leave that to the side and I try to be a different person so that she's happy with me, I will not achieve the goals I have in life. So I think those goals are very important to me, and I will not let anything stand in my way of, you know, reaching that.
Okay.
Because obviously मेरे साथ पहले भी हो चुका है. People have underestimated me कि अबे बच्चा है, ये है, वो है. So I have a lot to prove, and I think मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे पास, because my goal is so big, मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरे पास कम time है उसके लिए. So I want to, you
Okay.
know, be places. I want to do things, and yeah, I don't have time to get bogged down by things. So romance अगर organically हो गया, अगर vibe match हो गई, तो all good. अगर नहीं हुई तो मैं ऐसा कुछ ढूंढ नहीं रहा कि अरे इसके साथ रोमांटिक कुछ कर दूं.
So, what's your game plan? How do you plan of moving towards the finale? Aggressively, in your own chillax manner? What is your approach?
In my own chillax man, chillax to nahi, because I have always been an entertainer, and
Hmm.
I that, like I told you, I have big goals in life, and for a lot of people, because I feel कि you need to set targets for yourself. If you don't, and तुमको ऐसा लगता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए अबे बच्चा है बोल रहा है wants to be the
हाँ.
biggest entertainer in the world. यही बच्चा एक टाइम पे बोल रहा था that, you know, I would want to, like, एक दिन I would do something where, you know, the whole world would know me. आज वो बच्चे ने कर दिया ना, तो underestimate करते हैं लोग, and I use that instead of, you know, putting myself down.
Hmm.
I use that as fuel to fire my, you know, like, to
Passion.
fuel my fire.
Okay.
Uh, तो वैसा तो obviously there are things I want to do in life, and हाँ, I will not go the aggressive way, क्योंकि जब मैं घुस रहा था घर में, मेरी अगर हिंदी खराब हो तो प्लीज मुझे माफ कर देना, but when I was entering the house तभी मतलब जब मुझे बोला गया था कि, you know, you will be going for Big Boss, तो मैंने एक बहुत ही सिलेक्ट लोगों को कहा था कि मैं जा रहा हूँ गाइस, पर किसी को बोलना नहीं, ठीक है. तो तभी मेरे को सब लोगों ने एडवाइस दी थी कि भाई झगड़े करना, डू लाइक, यू नो,
Uh,
स्टार्ट फाइटिंग, किसी और का भी झगड़ा ना, तू घुस जाना बीच में और अपने तरफ खींच लेना. ऐसे नहीं गाइस, ये मैं नहीं हूँ. मेरा मेन मुद्दा जानने के लिए ये है कि आई वांट पीपल टू नो हु जीशान खान इज. आई वांट देम टू
hmm.
नो कि भाई ये ऐसी क्रेजी वैकी चीजें क्यों करता है, एंड व्हाई इज ही नॉट लाइक द अदर एक्टर्स. क्योंकि एक एक दूसरे एक्टर्स का एक स्टीरियोटाइप बन गया है कि, यू नो, इफ यू मीट देम इज लाइक, oh hi, how are you, oh nice to meet you, you know, they're very poised and this and that. So what is, you know, what is this thing about him जो ये इतना crazy, इतना wacky है, and he's
Hmm.
not shy about it. So I want to put that out in front of people कि this is me, this is Zishan Khan, and I'm a good person. So I will entertain y'all. I am an entertainer. But अगर मैं आगे बढ़ूंगा और मैं ट्रॉफी उठाऊंगा तो it will be because of my ability to entertain people, not because of my ability to fight with people.
And
Thank
now
you.
the thing I wanted to ask you was, you made a rage in the past recently with your bathrobe at the airport. Big
Right.
Boss is known where every contestant comes out in the best wardrobe. But there was select few who gave a damn to that and were just themselves, like Siddharth Shukla in his shorts or Arshti Khan in a nightie. Do we get to see Jishan in a bathrobe mostly, or are you going to bring out the all so stylish wardrobe and show us your new fashion sense and inspire more fashionistas and all?
So I am one who. So that's what. Instead of following trends, I believe in being a trend setter.
Hmm.
So I like to do things differently. So obviously you will see my style in the Big Boss house, the kind of style I carry in my day-to-day life. But yeah, the bathrobe journey is not yet over. You will still see a lot more with the bathrobe inside, because अब white bathrobe हो गया है, अब panda suit हो गया है, तो अब क्या? अब कैसा bathrobe आएगा?
अब
तो
हमें
वो
सब
देखने के लिए आपको सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा वूट, और देखना पड़ेगा बिग बॉस
एग्जैक्टली कि
ओटीटी।
पिटारे में और क्या क्या है.
एग्जैक्टली, पिटारे में तो बहुत चीजें लेके जा रहा हूँ। मैं आपको इतना बोल सकता हूँ कि मैं बाथ रोब्स लेके जा रहा हूँ। अब वो कैसे है, क्या है, वो आपको आके देखना पड़ेगा।
Oh yeah, exciting.
हाँ।
Beautiful talking to you. All the best for
थैंक यू सो
Big Boss.
मच। बहुत
Excited
अच्छा
to
लगा।
see you.
यस,
And
प्लीज
all
वोट
the
फॉर
best.
मी।
Yes, we vote for you. All the
थैंक
best and
यू।
enjoy yourself in the house.
थैंक यू, थैंक
Enjoy
यू सो
yourself.
मच, सो नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू, थैंक यू।
koimoi.com